You're looking.
There he is.
Scrape up that sauce.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah.
Come on. That's the way to do it now.
There you go. There you go.
That's it.
Yeah.
There's no waste at this pit.
No. Mama wouldn't be too happy. No waste.
All right. Give me some peppers. I'm gonna try to roast up a few peppers here for our finished product on our sandwiches.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna char some fresh picked garden bell peppers. We got the green, and of course we want to make it look pretty, so we got the reds too. All right. So you just put them directly over the hot coals. That's it. And just keep rolling. Go over there.
Just need to get some grinder rolls and mix some sauce and peppers and grinder.
These bells have been charred. Now they got to sweat.
Sweat in the bag.
Most of you guys know all about that. So you get a good paper bag like this, drop them in, let them cool off, and this will allow the skin to come out. All right. Perfect. All right. So the peppers have been bagged, so they sweat nice. Get some of the skin off there. And some of that charred flavor is what you're after. That's why you want to put these on the grill. It smells so good.
A lot of people will get them in those jars, which is convenient.
Yeah.
But it's not that hard to do it if you have access to a flame and a.
Yeah, and what comes in the jars, of course, is marinated in oil.
Yeah.
Harvey is doing some water burgers here. You gotta check this out, man.
A water burger.
Yeah. So, how's this gonna work, Harvey?
Well, I think the water burger situation, we're going to pre-cook the hamburger in boiling water with some onions to give it a little flavor. Then once we finish with the burger being cooked through, then we're going to take the burger back out again. Then we're going to do a slight egg wash with a little bit of a breadcrumb combination and do a light fry and a little bit of oil. Then take the burger from there, and then we're going to put it into our Weber grill over here with a little bit of tomato sauce, a little bit of mozzarella cheese and some Parmesan cheese, and melt the cheese across the top of the burger and make it a complete burger for a roll. And then add a little bit of roasted peppers that we just finished up here on the grill to complete the sandwich. All right.
Man, so how much are gonna have to tip the waitress?
Quite a bit, yeah. So much per head, yeah.
So we'll get the burger going here,
That's
right?
it.
So we've got a little diced onion. We got a couple of pounds of burger here. We got a little SPG. Use your favorite seasoning, but this will give you plenty of flavor. You've seen us do this before, man. You keep water burger. Let me go faster here. So season your burger. Simple. And we'll make them into, I don't know, 1/3 to 1/2 pound more or less, right? To that size right there. We'll just form it up. Just like that. Now they make them the way you want, right? Or we'll just get a basic burger. So what do you think about Harvey?
Nice.
That might just work. Right?
That looks like a real heavy duty burger.
And a machine didn't make it. We actually made it. So I'll just drop it in here. Right?
That's it.
There we go.
Nice.
So, thin sliced onions into the water.
Wow.
That's good.
How many onions do you think there? Four. Okay.
Four whole onions. Good sized onions.
Got it. One, the miracle of time.
Beautiful.
Excellent. All right. Got our onions.
Those onions are simmering.
Cut them by hand last night. No, you didn't.
All right, here's the water burger. A lot of you never thought you could do this, huh? Now, not a lot of people know anything about water burgers. Unless you're from Long Island, right? Water. We had some water burgers here.
Water burger. How long they in there for, Jeff?
15 minutes maybe. They're pretty thick. They're pretty thick.
Alright.
Hardboiled.
Yeah, parboiled.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Gonna make up an egg wash.
Egg wash.
And get things ready to go here.
Because we're going to be frying these water burgers.
Yeah.
We need a little egg wash.
Yeah.
These are from the local chickens?
Local chicken. Yeah.
From the local chicken farm?
Yeah. You sure are.
Yeah, locally sourced eggs. These, right? Taste, flavor, freshness.
Free range.
Yep. Definitely support your local farmer.
Hey, chef, everybody's hungry here. Look at it. Look behind you. Some parmesan. Grated parmesan. Some pepper.
A little pinch of pepper.
And the pepper. And the salt.
This is no ordinary egg wash. This is
I'll take that as scrambled eggs.
I think Warden milked the cow right before and brought it over here.
Imagine nice whole milk.
cow milk.
Cow milk.
Cow milk.
Cow milk. It came from cow.
Put that 2 gallons of water.
We got oil. We're gonna have some oil going in the cast iron over there.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Breadcrumbs.
Yep. Nice
Italian.
breadcrumb. That's in an Italian style.
More cheese.
Pinch of salt and pepper. Now,
I think these are ready.
we're ready.
Ready for the next phase.
They're cooked pretty much thoroughly on the inside because of this water bath. All right, take a look at that. Nice.
Eat them just like that.
Well, I'll take those 4. The rest of you can take a hike.
Get privilege, right?
Yeah. Getting after privilege.
We let those cool a little bit.
A little bit.
You know.
So,
The egg wash.
go right to the egg wash. And into the seasoned breadcrumb.
Again, is why you want to cook them a little ahead of time in the water, or boil them up, because you know you don't want to keep those breadcrumbs in the oil too long.
Yeah, they'll burn. Otherwise, it's technique using the water burger style. Awesome. Now, this is the best part of frying.
I'm gonna fry them. Let's do it.
So what about the temperature of the
It's probably 350, 375, somewhere in that area, for sure.
How much per side?
I'm gonna give it probably 3-4 minutes the most. The burgers are pretty much all the way cooked through. It's just a matter of browning them up and giving them a little golden color on the outside of the breadcrumb.
Yep.
Good looking.
You don't want to flip it. You don't want to flip it. Must be a mess.
that crisp sound?
A little sauce on the bottom of the pan there. All right, okay.
Cost of working. Took the waitress and I'll tell you what, between the man and a little bit of cash. I'm applying marinara sauce. This is of course put nicely pretty. But this is outrageous. And we'll top with some cheddar cheese. Here we're using our mozzarella. Good meat. Parmesan.
Melt the cheese.
And that's it.
All right.
What is that?
Lord have mercy. A Whataburger. Now, of course, you can set these up any way you want. You got
Plate
it.
match.
Now, the fresh roasted bell peppers.
Scrape up that sauce.
Look at that, yeah. Oh, come on. That's the way to do it now.
There you go. There you go.
That's it. There's no waste at this pit.
No, Mama wouldn't be too happy. No waste.
Let's see. Come on.
I'd say it's time to eat.
I'm eat.
All right, just reach in there, grab yourself your burger, the Whataburger,
Get in there. Get in there.
all right,
Look at the size.
or a batter burger.
Slide right in there. Move.
Yep.
You gotta move quick with these guys or you won't be able to eat.
Hey chef,
Gotta get on camera.
you gotta come over here, man.
Of course. Here we come.
This is your shout out. Well done.
Right here. Right here.
This is a batter burger, water burger. You call it what you want, but this is all Pit Boys, man.
This is our Pit Boys.
So, let me get in here.
Here it is.
There it is. Let's eat it.
Oh, yeah.
Come on.
Juicy. Very juicy.
Oh, that is awesome.
Really tender. The next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.